So hello friends, myself Om and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Om. Today I will tell you the specifications of Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G. The specifications of Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G are Snapdragon 750G, 6.67 inches Full HD Plus display, 120Hz fast refresh rate, 108 megapixel rear camera, 16 megapixel front camera, 4820 mAh battery, 33 watt fast charging. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G. There are 4 storage variants of Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G: 6GB plus 64GB, 6GB plus 128GB, 8GB plus 128GB and 12GB plus 256GB. There are 3 color variants of Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G: blue color, black color and rainbow color. This is the front side of Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G. This is the back side of Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G. The expected launch date of Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G will be in the mid of the December. In my opinion, the expected price of Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G should be below 17,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.